I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well,
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Did you miss me? I know it's been a while. I'm sorry. I've just been going through a mental thing, mentally, you know, up there, and stuff wasn't going as I wanted them to go, but we are here for a Boxycharm unboxing, y'all. As y'all know, I get Boxycharm every month. I've been getting it for a year. It is $21.99 a month, but the next video that y'all will see from me Boxycharm related will be Boxy Lux unboxing, because I upgraded to Boxy Lux, which is the $21.99 plus the $28.99 if I'm not mistaken, but that has about 10 items in the box. In other words, it's more shapopping than Boxycharm. At least that's what they saying. So I'm about to see. Anyway, this is about my Boxycharm for the month of February. Try to get me. Or is it March? No, it's February. February. Okay. This is the box right here. I already opened it because I wanted to see if there was anything that I could use for this look. And y'all, no, it wasn't. It was nothing in this box that I could use for this look. So yeah, shout out to this look though, and the baby hairs though. But yeah, I did this in another video, which I hopefully, fingers crossed, will have it up soon. But yeah, let's get into this Boxycharm unboxing. Okay, so for y'all that do not know, I have Boxycharm. I have my referral code down below. I don't get paid for it. It just, when you sign up, you get some points, I get some points, so we can have points in our charm room so we could buy free stuff. So if you don't have Boxycharm already or Boxy Lux, go ahead and click that link and subscribable. You got a month-to-month subscription, you got 3-month subscription, you got 6 months, and I think you have a whole year. You can pay for the whole year and be Gucci, okay? Let me not say Gucci, because we already know that situation. But yeah, this is my Boxycharm. And the card is Afterglow. And everything is on the back. How much it costs, what it do, boo. So I'm just going to go through all the stuff, and then I'm going to tell y'all my rating, and yeah, let's get it popping. Okay, so the first thing first is the, ooh, this shit is heavy. I never knew that this was so heavy. Maybe because I always had the sample size. Anyway, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I've had this before, a sample size from Sephora. It says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acai Sangano tree extract sets volumes, while film-forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. This retails for $24, y'all. So yeah, this is the first thing that I got, and it feels very heavy duty, so that's good. And they said it's supposed to be the dupe for that drugstore dupe is supposed to be the L'Oreal Voluminous Lashes, which is right here. Look at the packaging, y'all. You can't tell me that ain't a good dupe, even from the wand on down. Okay, so the next one is what I'm really upset about, because I really wanted this, but mine came broke. But this is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlight. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. This retails for $32. Hashtag Pretty Vulgar Glow. So this is what mine look like. As y'all can see, it is broken. Boxycharm, as you can see, this is broken. Okay, this is how it came, but I will swatch it for you guys just so you guys can see the color. Hold on, let me try to open it, y'all, so y'all can see the color pigmentation. All right, so this is how it came, y'all. Came broke. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit on the side. All right, so I'm gonna put it right here. Maybe I should have got some more. But this is a nice golden champagne color. There, you can't really see it, but that's not it. It's right here. But yeah, no, I'm not wearing it today. I wish I was, because it is, look at it. It's pretty, okay? It's pretty, don't get me wrong. The next thing I got, which I should have tried, I forgot all about that this was in the box, but this is the this is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. Creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with the new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. With green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. This retails for $18. Hashtag Touch and Soul Glow. So I'm gonna try that in my next videos, and I will let y'all know how it is. And then the next thing I got was the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I have tried this for 2 days now, and I don't know, I'm just gonna keep washing my face with it, but so far it makes my face feel baby smooth and all that good stuff. This says smooth and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oils, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. This retails for $22. Hashtag Pharmacy Glow. So yeah, I do not like the smell in this though. The smell is very strong, and it reminds me of, like, I can smell the flowers. I can smell flowers. Like, I don't know what it is, but I do not like the scent in this, and it's giving me a headache already, and I just sniffed it twice. So, but I'm just gonna keep playing with it because I don't smell it once I put it on my face. And last but not least, I'm gonna give this in a giveaway, so I'm not even gonna bother opening it, but I will show you guys. This is the Tristique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. These 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smoothes lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of shiny color. This retails for $25. $25. You kidding me? But I'm gonna put this in a giveaway because, yeah, that's not popping. But yeah, that is everything. That is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing for my February Boxycharm. Let me rate this thing. Okay, so I'll give it 1 star for the Better Than Sex mascara. A 2 star for No Problem primer. And 3 stars for the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. But you will not get a star from me because the shimmering highlighter came broke, and the Tristique lip crayon is just not my shade. I don't mess with stuff like that. But yeah, and if you guys want to know, I got variety number 3. Says so right there on the card. So if y'all are interested, make sure y'all click my link down below so y'all can get a part of the Boxycharm gang. But I am your girl Shay. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. If y'all are new, welcome. Hey boo, hey, I see you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the hashtag Glam Dog Gang. And make sure y'all tap that notification bell so y'all can become a part of the notification squad. But anyway, I'm out. I love y'all. See y'all in the next one.